everybody, this is Kathy from Cats I'll Create. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another week of Stack It Up Collab, and this is hosted by Coffee Cake and Crafting on Facebook. The main hostess of this is Tiffany McGill, Crafting Like a Boss here on YouTube, and BBz Kraftz Brittanee here on YouTube as well. So Coffee Cake and Crafting is a YouTube it's a Facebook page, and I will link that down on the description below so you guys could go check it out. And I will also link all the collaborators of this collab down on the description below, so go over, check them out. They've been having amazing creations, so just go over and check everybody out. So anyways, this week was box week, so let's go ahead and see what I created. So I used a variety of different paper pads for this. So this is what it looks like. So this is my box, and there you go. And this is what I created. This time I created something different. It is not the same as I've been creating the past few weeks. So yeah, this is what mine looks like. Oh, there you go. And then I put feet on the bottom. There you go. And a base, so something to hold it. And there you go. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness, this is so totally different. This was really out of my comfort zone. This is my first Stack It Up box that I've created. I've put a butterfly here, a flower here. I have this leaf trim or leaf die cut on the sides. These are basically flowers that I put right here with die cut leaves right here as well. I put trim right here. This one has trim and a ribbon on the bottom right here, as well as this one has trim and ribbon on the bottom. And then right here, actually I put a trim, and then it has some pros on the bottom, as you guys could see. And then this one has trim right here and pros as well, so totally different. And then I put a little flower on here, and so when you set it down and it's facing you, it's going to be facing like this. There you go. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So this is, I actually used a different technique of making these boxes. I probably will have a tutorial on that later on. And this one on the bottom is a 12 by 12 piece of paper that I used, and this is a 6 by 6, and this is a, I believe it was an 8 by 8. So there you go. And this is how this works. Oh, now it got stuck. So there you go. There's one, and then you pull this out. It's the second one, and then you pull this one out, and that's the third layer. And that is it for my creation. My secret word is lace. Ooh. Anyways, you guys know what to do. Use it in a sentence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to go over to check everybody else out. And like I said, I will link everybody down on the description below. Thank you again, and we'll see you next week. Can't wait to see everybody's creations then. Bye for now.